Alright guys, it's Mike and Kim. So we decided to jump in the car today and drive to, where are we going?
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas! Anyway, so I thought I would share this little bit of a ride here. We're just about close to the Hoover Dam. So my first time, never been to Hoover Dam. Actually, my first time, never drove to Las Vegas. But now that we live in Arizona, we can do these things.
4-hour drive.
4-hour drive, no big deal, right? So oh my God, the rock here is beautiful. You know, it's starting to get very, as I call, canyony. It's really gorgeous up here, actually. Look how red it is. All that iron. Really pretty. So, are we going to stop there, or what are we going to do? Okay, so yes.
A couple miles out.
That's a big deal, because usually Mike doesn't stop very often. Oh, so that's a good thing.
Look down there. You see the canyon?
Oh, wow.
Or Lake Mead down there.
How do you get down there?
I don't know.
How come we didn't go?
I just see that as we're driving through. We're coming across right now.
We're missing good sights. I would have loved to have gone down there.
It's a bridge. Look down there. See if you can't see anything down
I can't see. The canyon's gorgeous, though. Let me tell you, I'd love to get out and look. Oh, see, they're walking. They're looking. Oh, there's a whole walking path.
Walking path.
All right, so oh, how cool. They're walking over into Nevada. Okay. But where did they park their cars?
I have no clue.
Pacific time zone. Whoop, whoop, whoop. All right, cell phone changes time now. Oh, they're parked down there.
So much for mountain time zone.
Oh, man. I would like to do that.
What?
I know. All right. Well, now we know what we need to do. There's a whole situation down there that we're missing. It's definitely a situation I want to be a part of. Oh, viewers out there, you gotta laugh. My husband's hysterical. He's a funny guy, I have to tell you. My funny Mike.
It's a situation.
It's a situation. Okay. Anyway, we'll be right back. All right. So we're gonna go over to the Hoover Dam Bridge Walkway. I've never been, so
Me either.
I've never been. So this is going to be interesting. Our adventures that we love to take. We got plenty of time before we need to
be in Las Vegas.
Be in Las Vegas. We're meeting up with the kids in Las Vegas.
Just because.
Just because. Something we want to do. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh no, that wasn't an RV, right?
Yeah, that was a Class B.
Oh, it was? Okay. Yeah. So yeah, in a couple of years I think we're gonna transition over to another RV as well. Yeah, we're starting to like our adventures. We like to stay longer, and we have the dogs, so it's just easier just to load them up and just go. Mm-hmm. No big. My work schedule will permit me to have plenty of time to do that. Oh wow, it's gorgeous down. Whoa.
Well, why don't you get a camera shot of it?
Holy shit, I got scared. It's high up here.
Get a camera shot of it.
Here, guys. Wait a minute. I got scared for a second. It snuck up on me. Hey, I'm supposed to be over my height thing. I am. I'm in good shape. Yeah, I like it better this way. No, it's good down there. It just caught me by surprise. That's okay. I'm under control. It's all good.
That was funny.
You need to slow down.
Well, I'm only doing 20 miles an hour.
It's too fast around these hairpin turns.
Oh, hairpin turns.
You don't know these roads. You need to slow down.
Oh my God.
I know.
Shack station.
Anyway.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway. Oh wow. There's the water.
Yeah, there's Lake Mead.
Wow. Beautiful. This is cool.
Lakeview Overlook.
Mm-hmm. I want to go to the Lakeview Overlook over there.
Mm-hmm.
I want to overlook
the lake.
The lake. It looks good up there. Okay. Vehicle subject to private inspection. All right. Vehicle subject to private inspection. Yeah.
No firearms.
Is that right?
What is that?
can't be in here like that?
It says no firearms.
So what do you do?
I gotta turn around and won't leave, I guess.
Shit.
Let's see what they say.
We'll be back, guys. All right, glad to be back. We just passed inspection. That's always good, right?
Mm-hmm.
You never know in this desert what goes on.
Carrying firearms.
Might be packing some aliens in the back.
Carrying firearms. You can't do that.
No firearm carry here.
Oh my God. Okay.
Anyway.
So here we are.
Yeah, so here we are. This is new adventure here. What
Hoover
is?
Dam.
Yeah. What is going on over here?
I don't know.
Oh, look, everybody's walking up there.
This says Memorial Bridge Plaza.
Okay, so.
Oh, we're going to Hoover Dam. We're not doing that.
Yeah. I don't know what's going on.
That was that little Mickey Mouse walkway.
Oh. I wanted. You know what I'd like to do, because I saw this on YouTube. To be a part of the whole tour, where you actually go down into the functioning part of the dam wall and whatnot. That'd be really cool. Railroad trail pickup. There's a railroad here?
Yeah. Police.
What?
Hoover Dam Police.
All right. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow, look at the right. You missed all that stuff to the right. Oh, wow, there's the dam right there. In fact, I think, are we on the dam yet? Dam? Oh, it's right there, man. Right to the left. Oh, shit, there's the bridge we came over.
Mm-hmm.
You get a picture of the bridge?
That's why we just drove over to get down here. Oh, wow, it's gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. Wow. The rock colors here are the color of Sedona, actually.
Look at that bridge. Oh, we just went over that bridge.
Yeah, I know. The size of that.
Stop here on bread, so we're gonna cross over top part. Look, see the dam over there? We're gonna cross over the top part of the dam.
Oh, wow.
Car engine. Oh, I gotta pay the attendant. Oh my God.
Would you think it was all for free?
Yeah, I'm right.
So you got to park,
I ain't doing that.
or can we just drive through and then drive back
I
up?
think it's drive through.
Cars and tour buses. Yeah, because we're not doing a tour, so we don't have time for
I
that.
don't have time for the tour, so let's just go straight.
Okay. Oh, wow, look at that.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, look at the palms here. Well, it's a nice sight. Everybody's walking.
Are they AV?
Oh, so they're going inside. See, that's what I wanted to do. Yeah, at another time. But that's what I'd like to do.
So we're going to drive across the Hoover Dam. Are you getting all this stuff over in the corner?
I am. Wow. Oh, see, they're out walking around. That's nice.
Parking right over here. It's Hoover Dam.
Uh-huh.
Exhibits.
Yeah. Nevada time. 9:15.
Oh, you can see Lake Mead and all that stuff back
Yeah.
there.
Look at the water level.
It's low.
Look at that. See? I saw people out there wearing jackets. It's freezing.
How weirdos.
It's freezing in the desert.
Arizona time.
Oh, they got both our times here.
They got both times.
Arizona
yeah.
and Nevada, because we're like right over the line here.
I think we're back on the Arizona side now.
Are we on Arizona's side? Oh, we are. Oh, we're back on Arizona's side, guys.
We're back home.
All right, it's toying with my emotions, the clocks now.
Oh, wait until we got to jump up an hour here. Well, we don't, but everybody else does.
The hell is this? 9:15. It's 10:15. Nope, 9:15. 10:15. 9:15. It is what it is. Just enjoy the view. Everybody's got their extensions.
Selfie sticks.
Their selfie sticks. They're having a good romantic date over there. see people walking down just to view the lake. You haven't seen it? Oh, and now I can see it.
And I see the dam now?
Yeah.
Whoop. Hoover Dam right now in the car.
Yeah, so we're on the Arizona side at this moment, which is funny. We just went back and forth. Arizona.
Right here, it'll say Arizona right here at this top part.
You should get out and stand on both sides at the same time. We're in 2 time zones at the same time.
Now getting on top of the dam.
Yeah, so now we're driving over it.
Yep. The Arizona side we are now.
Here, Arizona time. It's hysterical. Arizona time. Just over there taking pictures just a second ago.
Now?
Oh, they have like things. Oh,
Nevada
something.
side.
And now we're in Nevada time. Right there. Right there. Love it. Okay. Let's go back over here.
Hoover Dam, 1931.
Get our tour set.
All that?
Yeah. I feel like I'm on a Disney tram.
Look at the holes in the walls over there from where the wires come through.
Yeah. It's something, huh?
We got to spend more time here. We got to make another day trip of this.
Yeah, this should be an entire, a good part of your day just being here.
Look at the guy. Get the guy okay.
Just really, really cool.
I don't know why we got to pay the tenant when we have the pass. Maybe it's different.
Because it's not. It's nothing to do with your parking. Mike has issues paying to park anywhere.
Or tolls.
So when he moved out to Connecticut for a while, he was completely beside himself between the New York City tolls and the parking.
It's ridiculous. Dumb.
Lot fees and whatnot. So he's like, he's definitely back in his realm being out west, but because he just saw a parking lot with a $10 fee, that tripped him off for a second.
It's ridiculous. We got passes. Everything should be free. Why would you spend $100 on a pass for a year and you got to pay for parking? That's dumb.
I guess they use the money to maintain this, I'm just saying. Yeah, he gets pretty wild about parking prices. Too funny. One of his pet peeves. Anyway, this is so gorgeous.
You're a little cranky.
He gets cranky. A lot, actually. A couple times a day.
Stick the camera out the window now and look at the conveyor. Look at the conveyor. Look
it's easier to get the whole conveyor this way. Yeah, is that crazy?
The steel bands.
That is something. how this works, you know? It really is. And the whole history, the whole construction, it's just pretty amazing. Pretty amazing that I can get to the Grand Canyon and the Hoover Dam anytime I want.
Yeah.
On a weekend. That's what's so amazing. Quite honestly, I'm really enjoying the state. So we're in search of this lake lookout area that we passed on our way down to the dam. So here we go. Welcome to Nevada. So yes, we are officially in Nevada now, which is nice. Yeah. Let's see. I don't know where we have to go to get to this lake lookout.
This is where the water used to be at.
Oh yeah. Really strong.
Yeah, look at that.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So that's an old railroad tunnel when they were, look at the old chipmunks, when they were building the dam. Oh, it smells amazing out here right now. They're chicken monkeys. Look at the chipmunks. Chipmunks eating. Somebody's put all kinds of stuff up there for them. Look at the chipmunks.
I miss you guys.
We said these houses in Connecticut all over the place.
I miss you.
Hey, we're back. So we're just going through Henderson, Nevada. We just went through Boulder City. It was pretty cool. And now we're heading into Las Vegas, downtown strip. You can see, probably can't see it that far ahead, but anyway, way up there though. It's a really pretty view. The mountains, the tops of them still have a ton of snow. It's gotta be like 12,000 feet high now.
It's up there.
It's at least
Ginormous.
it's over 12,000 feet up the way out there. So looks absolutely gorgeous. It really is pretty over here. I'm not typically a fan of Vegas for the most part, but once in a while I like to come up here and just, you know, do something new. So it was really cool to see the Hoover Dam on the way. It's really pretty. You can make that an entire day though, I think. So we're gonna go back and actually do a whole day. And there's like 2 or 3 tours at least.
Yeah, the only reason why we stopped, the only reason we're in Vegas is we gotta attend a function. Otherwise we wouldn't be here.
Yeah.
So, you know.
So it took the function to pull us into the car
To do an adventure.
to do this adventure, which is kind of cool. I canceled a few things that I had to do this Saturday in order to be able to have this day to come up here. So I'm glad I did actually. I needed to get out. It's been work, school, no play for Kiki. So yeah, we're playing today. So we're getting closer and closer. It looks really nice out here. So as soon as we get closer to the strip, we'll get you back on. Intense, but we were on foot. We didn't even drive around here. We flew in and just dropped, and we walked everywhere, which is probably get somewhere faster. Caesar's Palace, beautiful, beautiful. Been in there. Nothing like the strip at night, though. Don't think we'll be looking at the strip tonight because we'll be heading home. 4.5-hour drive. Or I don't know. Maybe we will. Who knows?
No.
No. Mike said no. Not happening. So.
The Bellagio? That is over there?
Caesars.
Caesars. History or Discovery or something
History
like that.
Channel.
History Channel. This is where Chum Lee got popped. Stupid ass. Look at all those freaks in there trying to do something spectacular. Unbelievable. Alright, I can't take it, man. I'm done.
Are you from England? Are you from Ireland? No, she's from South Africa. It's different. It's a different accent. How's it feel? Feels good. Okay, he's got thick hair, though. Yeah, pretty thick hair. Johnny Cash, does he have thick hair? Yeah, it's pretty thick hair. I think every time he says anything, you should say, hello.
Alright.
Okay.
Street performer. Just doing this thing. No water show yet. It is amazing here today. The weather is perfect.
It has all the blown glass in here.
Yeah. There we go. So we're going to eat at the Cafe Bellagio, I think, unless you change the mind. Great display. So this is our dinner from the Bellagio. Amazing. We're gonna get carved out and sleep. Alright, well here's our dessert. Our coffee cake and Kim's
Creme brulee.
creme brulee.
3 different kinds.
3 different kinds. Oh my goodness.
It's a celebration. Anyway, so we're on the Nevada side of Lake Mead. Heading home. Sunsets are so pretty here. That's where we were before, right? Up here?
Yep.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's where we pulled over
Right.
to go.
Look over there.
Let's go on
That's where we went with
the lake view.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then right over here, you'll see over there, right the lake.
It's legit 6 o'clock. 6:33. So.
Look down there. You can see. Wow. Can you see down there?
No,